Greek mythology begins with chaos, the formless void or emptiness. Chaos embodies pure potentiality, suggesting that within the void lies the potential for creating everything. Chaos serves as the launching point for the rich tapestry of Greek mythology. It influences countless stories about gods, mortals, and the cosmos. It sets the stage for the struggles, conflicts, and relationships that define Greek myth. From chaos arises the first primordial beings that include Gaia, Mother Earth, Tartarus, the abyss, Eros, love, and others. This transition makes the beginning of divine personifications that govern different aspects of existence, paving the way for the emergence of Olympian gods. Gaia is a central figure in many of Greek myths who personifies the earth. She represents fertility, nurturing, and the foundational aspects of the natural world. Gaia is often depicted as a robust and towering goddess embodying the very essence of the earth. Her features are typically associated with nature. She embodies the nurturing qualities and gives sustenance and protection to her children and all living beings. Gaia has a wonderful presence with a flowing gown made of vibrant green leaves and earth tones. Her hair cascades like vines, adorned with colorful wild flowers that bloom in celebration of life. Another entity born from chaos is Tartarus, or the abyss. It embodies the concepts of depth, the underworld, and punishment. Tartarus represents a physical space and a concept of punishment for the wicked. As an abyss of torment and despair, Tartarus emphasizes the enduring themes of justice, the consequences of actions, and the moral ordering of the world. Tartarus remains a powerful symbol of the depth of human experience and the dark side of existence. The concept of Tartarus serves to introduce fear of divine retribution and the consequences of one's actions, reinforcing the importance of devotion and respect toward the gods. Another entity born from chaos is Eros, who represents love, desire, and attraction. He is often depicted as a powerful force influencing both mortals and gods within myth and philosophy. He is a beautiful winged youth symbolizing the fleeting and ethereal nature of love. He is frequently shown carrying a bow and arrows, which represent his ability to inflict love and desire upon individuals. Arrows can either provoke love or cause desire that leads to emotional turmoil and conflict. Sometimes Eros is associated with doves, symbolizing peace and harmonious relationship. He is a guiding force toward emotional and spiritual fulfillment. Uranus is one of the first entities born from chaos in Greek mythology. He embodies the heavens and represents the vastness of the sky, making him fundamental to the structure of the cosmos. Uranus plays a vital role in the cosmology of the ancient Greeks, particularly in the creation myths involving Gaia, the earth. He is often associated with celestial elements, emphasizing his dominion over the skies. Uranus can be represented with various symbols of weather and celestial phenomena, such as lightning bolts, clouds, or rain. His narrative reflects the balance between chaos and structure, which is central to many philosophical discussions about the nature of existence. Uranus' story contributes to the rich tapestry of Greek mythology, illustrating the complexities of godly relationships and the cosmos. In Greek mythology, Uranus is considered the husband of Gaia, the personification of the earth. Their union is crucial for the process of creation, as it produces the 6 male and 6 female Titans who oversaw the universe before the rise of the Olympian gods. Together, Uranus and Gaia are regarded as the original primordial deities governing all elements of existence. Their rule represents a time when the world was in a state of balance and they were responsible for various natural phenomena. The offsprings of Uranus and Gaia include the Titans such as Cronus, Tethys, and Hyperion. The union of Uranus and Gaia forms a crucial part of the Greek mythological cosmology and the establishment of the divine hierarchy that shaped the ancient Greek worldview. The Titans were the primeval beings who represented various aspects of the natural world and human existence, including time, the ocean, and the sun. They oversaw the universe before the rise of the Olympian gods. Their rule represented a time when the world was in balance and they were responsible for various natural phenomena. Each Titan personified different aspects of nature and the cosmos. They were the first generation, including powerful beings such as Cronus, Oceanus, Hyperion, and Rhea. They were depicted as benevolent figures that nurtured humanity and provided for their needs, allowing for a civilization that lived in harmony with nature. After the birth of the 12 Titans, Gaia began to give rise to the Cyclops, fascinating figures from Greek mythology. The Cyclops are known for their distinct appearance, unique characteristics, and significant roles in various myths. Cyclops are easily recognized by the single eye placed in the center of their forehead. This feature symbolizes their connection to primal nature and raw strength. Cyclops are often depicted as muscular, skilled craftsmen capable of forging mighty weapons and tools. Their close ties to nature and the raw elements allow them to manipulate earth materials effectively, representing the untamed aspects of the natural world. The other offsprings of Gaia and Uranus are Hecatoncheires, who were born during the early stages of creation alongside the Titans and Cyclops. The Hecatoncheires, also known as the hundred-handed ones, are fascinating figures in Greek mythology. They are described as large giants with remarkable features and significant roles in the mythological narratives of creation. Each of the Hecatoncheires have 100 arms and 50 heads. This distinctive feature symbolizes their incredible strength and capability, making them formidable beings in battle. They are capable of fighting multiple opponents simultaneously. Their immense strength and sheer number of arms underscores the complex relationship between the primordial beings and the Olympian gods, reflecting themes of order, chaos, and cosmic balance. I look forward to seeing your depiction of this initial part of Greek mythology.